Hi, this is Patrick Loda with MarineMax here in Long Beach Island, New Jersey. This is a new listing for us, a 2022 Sea Ray 210 SPX Outboard, one of our most popular models that Sea Ray has in the lineup. This is powered by a 200 Mark 4-stroke engine. Great back here on the stern of the boat on the swim platform. You have a 4-step stainless ladder to get on in and out of the water. Ski pylon that is standard on the Outboard version. Nice walk-through as you're coming through the boat, so you're not climbing over top of any cushions. Step down, of course, there's cup holders everywhere. Nice L lounger, and then aft back here, it's a cooler and or storage. You have also two for a small igloo cooler. Great sun pad here on the back if you're out there at the sandbar, kind of kicking back or at the house having a nice cup of coffee. Tons of room here for storage. This is where the life vests are stowed in this particular model. That right there is a sun pad for the front. That'll also fill for the bow filler cushions. Here's your canvas. This is also the Midnight Blue from Sea Ray. Additional storage under here. Again, makes it very easy for walking through the boat. Cup holders. This is also back here where your batteries are. And your battery switch. Makes it nice and easy. This is a port side lounger. You also have storage underneath this cushion here. Small glove box up here at the port helm. Stainless cup holders throughout the boat. Also too, there's extra storage here under the helm. It's your throw cushion. This boat is rated for 12 persons. Great walk-through up here into the front, plenty of leg room. You have minimal storage up here under the cushions. Put some extra gear away, never enough storage in a boat. What's nice too is on this SPX is now it has the anchor door, so this way you can get easy access, tie your line off, put it through right here, so this way it's not obstructing anything. Lock that. Nice stainless compression latch. Walk through your bow. This also too has a bimini top. And then here's your captain's chair. This is what they call the thigh rise seating. So you can stand up and operate the boat, or you can sit down. And a great view of the dash here. It's a tilt helm, fusion stereo, your stainless toggles. This boat only has 74 hours on it. This is your 5-inch Simrad GPS chart plotter sounder. That's your depth finder. Multi-gauges, which is nice too with the dash here being a different color. It keeps the glare of the sun off rather than just having an all-white dash. That's standard from the Sea Ray lineup. Stainless cup holder, 12-volt receptacle plus a USB port. You also too have a nice locker here on the floor for putting your water tubes in, skis, wakeboard. Goes very deep. There's your anchor light as well. Flooring in this is a finished fiberglass liner. It's the Sea Ray diamond print, so it's very easy for it doesn't get slippery, and also too easy for cleaning. So this boat's in an immaculate condition. Can be shown in Long Beach Island at MarineMax. Give us a call at 609-494-2102. Again, this is Patrick Loda with the beautiful 2022 Sea Ray 210 SPX Outboard. Happy to show this to you and any other boat that you may have some interest in. Thank you for looking, and have a great day. See you out on the water. Take care.